Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I actually have two boxes for you guys. I have the regular Boxycharm for the month of January and Ipsy's Glam Bag Plus. So I did try on almost all these items for you guys in the try on portion, both boxes together. So if you guys are interested in that, here is the try on portion. But if you guys would like to see these unboxings and see the box total and a little bit about each box, then just keep watching. So we are going to start with Boxycharm. Boxycharm is, I think they raised it to $23 a month. And you get 5 full-size items. So this month's theme is Boxycharm Breaking the Ice. I did do my Boxycharm Premium. If you guys are interested in that, I'll go ahead and link that above for you if you want to see the Boxycharm Premium. So the first item we got was Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. This is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage. Yes, it is definitely medium. You guys can still see some dark spots here, right in these inner corners. It's definitely medium, not my style at all. I like full coverage, and this was my exact skin color, so it didn't do anything to help brighten my under eyes. This helps keep your skin moisturized and rejuvenates and improves the skin's appearance. It's a blendable long-wearing concealer that's great for all skin types. This is $25. So you guys can see me try that on, and you guys can see the after effects with some powder. My nails are missing. Just ignore my nails, okay? Okay. Next was the item that I chose because I'm an old lady. This 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream with Ruby Crystal Complex from Dr. Brandt. This is $55, and this is a gentle yet light reflecting and age fighting eye cream. So it's got retinol and ruby crystal complex that helps with under eyes. Now I did try this, and then I did try a new concealer. So as of right now, I don't think my under eyes look good at all. I don't think it's this though. I think it's the concealer with the powder I used, which is the Kat Von D powder, which is what I normally use, but I also normally use heart-shaped tape. So those two work beautifully together. This one is kind of crepey, kind of dry looking, kind of not full coverage, but that's not for everyone. I enjoy full coverage. You might like a medium coverage concealer. You might like this. So it's really, person to person. The next is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. So this is an exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. I did not try this. This is something that I'll use later on when I take my baths and showers. This has a luxury Italian spa experience that has sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract. It's got a whole bunch of science words. You gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. Hi, baby. Hi. What are you doing? Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Oh, you're so sweet. Look at the camera. Say hello.
Hello!
Good girl. And this is $28. This is a lot of product compared to, is that a star? Compared to the Dr. Brandt's tube, which is so tiny, and it's $55. Like, the amount of product you get with this is amazing. Actually, in a previous Boxycharm, if you guys can see, we were given a Skin & Co. item, and I just finished it 2 seconds ago, setting my face. So I actually like them.
Right here.
And I did not think that setting spray smells like truffles, even though it's made with truffles. The next, I did not try this. I haven't even taken it out of the box.
Yes!
The bag is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask.
Star.
Yes, it's a star. This is $22, so it is a sleeping mask. And I do use the serum that we got in our last Boxycharm, all the time, every night. So I'm really excited to use this. I'm sorry, my daughter is just, she's not having it. All right, and the last thing, it's $22. And the last thing is the Manna Kadar Beauty Lip Whip. Now, this is the color of it right here. Don't mind my arm. It's disgusting. I was swatching everything. And this is a really beautiful color. and this is $21. So
Look
I did.
at me.
I see you. So I did not put this on.
I'm a bridge.
Your bridge?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I did not put this on. I did put on something that's getting on my teeth. I did put on the one from Ipsy, but this is a really beautiful color. So here is the box total. By the way, I got version 13. My weight was, I don't know what my weight was. I can't find it on the box. But version 13, there's the box total. Welcome to my life trying to film YouTube videos with a 3-year-old. It's okay though, because she's cute, so I forgive her. I'm sure everyone will like you. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, let's move on to Ipsy. Let's move on to Ipsy. Okay, I managed to get her down for a nap. I also managed to pull the rest of my nails off, so yay, things happened in the small time that I wasn't here. So now moving on to Ipsy. This is Clean Slate for the theme. Ipsy is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products, but sometimes you get the luxury travel size products as well. And you do have the option now with Boxycharm to choose your item for your next box, and you've always had the option to choose extra bonus items on Ipsy's part. I don't think they have the option to choose your product for the next box yet though, that I know of. Not yet anyways. So for Ipsy, we got the Hannah Lai Company Lip Treatment in Clear. I did not use this because it was very kind of like, I would say like a petroleum jelly kind of consistency on my nasty hand here. You can see it's very thick and it looks just like Vaseline, basically. It smells like vanilla, but it's really like vanilla scented Vaseline. That's what it smells like and feels like. So I didn't put this on just because I didn't want the lipstick on top to kind of bleed out and go everywhere. The next, oh, and this was $20, and you can wear this as a lip mask. It has a unique blend of Hawaiian botanicals, kukui nut oil, aloe, and agave. The next thing is Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. This is $80. So I have had their anti-wrinkle under eye cream, and that didn't really do anything for me. So this stuff is supposed to have soothing aloe, brightening apple, all organically grown on Juice Beauty's vineyard. That's cool. So it helps hydrate, protect, and help ease fine lines. So that's nice, and I look forward to using this because I love serums. The next was the Illamasqua Liquid Eyeliner in Black. This was $22. Now this was like more of a thicker brush, but I managed to get a very nice thin wing with it. So I'm pretty happy. This is what it looks like. It's pretty matte. It doesn't really have any like shimmer to it. It went on really nice and smooth. I could use it upside down and it still worked really nicely. So yeah, I was actually impressed with it. Quite impressed with it. And this was, did I say $22? $22. The next is Nature's Cartel Lipstick in 90s Nostalgia. That's what I'm wearing right now. And I love this a lot more than I thought I was going to love it. This is such a beautiful color. Like, it's so flattering. It has a little bit of warmth, but a little bit of rose. Like, it's perfect with my shirt. It's so perfect. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I actually super duper love it. This is $15, and this brown mauve lipstick is exactly what you need to get on trend. That's my dog. He's loud. Sorry. And finally, the next is Space Case Cosmetics Scene from Space Highlighter Duo in 1C and 1B. I think actually in the video I said this was from Boxycharm. It's totally from Ipsy. So Space Case sent 2 highlighters, which is actually really nice. Now this one I can already tell is way too dark for me, so I'm gonna put this in my giveaway box for someone. But this one I did use, and it is very pretty. It's very subtle. It's very kind of gold champagne, but it's still super beautiful. So here it is on a separate hand because this one is just getting way too dirty. So there it is. When you blend it out, it looks absolutely beautiful. Ipsy also sent one of the prettiest bags I think we've ever gotten. It is marble on one side, and it's very like delicate sheen, like this very pretty soft sheen pink with marble again on the other side, and the inside is pink. This is definitely the prettiest bag I've ever gotten. I am keeping this bag. It's pretty, and it's huge. This isn't a small bag, like that's gigando. So, extremely happy with this bag this month. Thanks, Ipsy. You guys are awesome. So, from Ipsy, I didn't go over this in the end, but I ended up liking every single item. All 5 items. Thoroughly impressed. I didn't have anything bad to say about any of them. For Boxycharm, I think the one that would make Ipsy win is this isn't really as full coverage as I've wanted my concealers to be. So that would do 4 out of 5 for Boxycharm. So Ipsy actually won this month. Congratulations, Ipsy. And Boxycharm missed by 1. They would have been a tie. But this one right here is just not, it's not cutting it. And I've been wearing it for a hot minute while I had to go pick up my kids. And if you can see, it's starting to crease up already on my under eyes. So, not cool, not cool. But anyways, here was Ipsy's box total. But yeah, if you guys want to see this try-on portion of all these products, almost all of them, then just keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. Now, this is pretty expensive for this teeny tiny little container, so I'm hoping this takes away every single wrinkle ever. So let's go ahead and, it says put it on your ring finger. Ignore my nails. They are slowly popping off. We're not, don't, just ignore them. So it says use your ring finger. I don't like that. I'm going to use my middle finger. Okay, my middle fingernails have popped off. I don't know why. They were a different type of nail. It was like this really flimsy, like holographic kind of nail, and they didn't stay on long at all. Fake nails, man. Fake nails. Anyways, okay, so there's that. Do you see a difference? We'll see. Alright, the next thing that I can use is actually this Juice Beauty. Oh, that was from Boxycharm, by the way. This is from Ipsy. This is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. So we're going to go ahead and put this on. Now, I have already just done a really quick eye look because I want to see how this eyeliner works. And then I'll come back on and we will do the concealer together. Alright, let's see how this eyeliner works. This is the Illamasqua eyeliner. It is black, and it's got a pretty, like, thick tip. Don't comment on that. And it might not be the best for my hooded eyes because look, I tried to put my hair in a ponytail for you guys so I could pull my, you know, lids up as much as possible. I give myself a mini facelift, but we'll see. I don't necessarily like the thicker eyeliner pens like this. I really enjoy the super thin ones. But let's see how this works. Okay, makes a pretty thin line, so let's connect it. I don't like to connect it from the very end. I like to come in like right here and start drawing it. But because my eyes are hooded, I have to do it really small. I can't do fat ones because then my hood just kind of falls over the side and eats it up. So there is the line. It's actually really nice and sharp. It looks to be really nice and matte. It's not the most intense black eyeliner, but it definitely went on nicely. I saw that when it went over my eyeshadow, it kind of smeared in with the eyeshadow, so now it's got a little bit of a metallic, glowy kind of look right there on this part. But that part actually looked really nice, so kind of impressed. I don't know how this wears, but as of right now, it went on really nicely for a first impression. Okay, I look really sick right now. I don't have any of my bronzer on. I don't have any powders to tone down this shimmer of this dewy foundation that I have, the Pro Glow. So I look crazy. Normally I do a very light highlighter. I normally use, what is this? Fair in Tarte Shape Tape. But this is much darker, so I think this will actually be more my skin tone and not more of a brightening highlight. So let's see how this works. By the way, my color is Little White Lies. Yep, that is basically the color of my foundation. Like spot on. That's crazy. It just blended right in with my foundation. Now I think if you want to brighten this just a little bit, you can add a much brighter one, maybe just kind of right dabbed in the center there to maybe brighten those under eyes. But for right now, I won't have very bright under eyes. This is basically the same exact color of my skin. Looking at it, it actually looks like it covered really nicely. Now I haven't set this yet. I'm gonna go ahead and set it and we can see how it looks. Right now it is like the actual perfect color of my skin though. That's crazy. Alright, so looking at it a little bit closer, I can notice right here on the inner corners, I can still see a little bit of like a gray blue color, and I think that's just because it has not covered up that spot with as much coverage as I normally like. Let's go ahead and put on this highlight. It is like a super shock shadow. This is the Scene from Space 1C. This is kind of like a vanilla shimmer kind of color. It is really beautiful. I did swatch it earlier on my arm and it's gone now. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it on like a super shock formula with my finger, and I'm just gonna hit all the high points. It's very, it does have like this champagne-y vanilla color. Very, very, very subtle gold, but it seems to look really beautiful on, actually. It's not super crazy. It's very subtle looking, so this is really, really nice for like a natural kind of feel. So there it is. It's really pretty, actually. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot. It's really easy to apply, and it looks very pretty on the skin. Awesome. I love that. All right, for lips, I don't know what I want to wear. I feel like this one would be a little too bright. I'm going to go with this one, which is more of the cream. This one's from Ipsy. Oh, yeah. That's a good color, I think. This is gorgeous. This color is absolutely beautiful. I really, really love it. It's very creamy. It's very like moisturizing feeling. This will transfer on everything, so it's nice. It's like a lip balm kind of applicator. I don't know. It's really beautiful, you guys. I'm really impressed with everything I got. If you guys are interested in what's on my eyes, it is the Too Faced Cocktail Party eyeshadow palette that I got yesterday in my Boxy Premium. So I am wearing this. I am trying this out for a few days in a row to see if I like the formula. Yesterday I was not impressed with my blending at all, but I actually like today's look. It's a lot more simple. It's just very soft. I wanted to focus on the eyeliner. So I don't have any mascara on. I'm gonna put some mascara on, and then I'm going to do my intro with mascara, I promise. But that's all I have for this video, you guys. Let me know if you guys got any of these, and if you got the same products, or if you got something different. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye.